Hello to everybody. My name is Christoph Heer. I'm Managing Director of Drees Sommer Switzerland, and I'm responsible together with RICS to create and promote the European FM Provider Report 2021. I'm happy to introduce our first European FM Provider Report this year. First of all, I would like to thank RICS for the great cooperation in the creation of the second European FM Provider Report. At the same time, I would like to extend our thanks to all FM providers who actively participated in the creation of the report and provided us with a detailed information from their end. What motivated us to develop and create a report of this kind? Today's European FM market is highly heterogeneous. It is currently very difficult to get an overview on the FM provider market as a whole and capability of the corresponding companies in Europe. It often proves challenging to compare the services provision of providers in more than one country due to the different taxonomies. For international organizations and companies, this is a challenge when it comes to choosing the ideal partner and complicated the decision process. This report is our contribution to increase transparency across the European FM landscape. How the report is structured. First, we have segmented Europe in 4 regions according to the United Nations standard countries. The 4 regions are Eastern Europe, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, and Western Europe. In general, we have collected the following information for each FM providers. Numbers of employees per region in Europe, revenue per region and countries in Europe, and range of FM service, including insourcing rate, rate of internal services provision per country. The selected 47 providers were asked to provide detailed information in the following topics: revenue per region, employees per region, worldwide presence, service offered by country, including degree of self-delivery revenue. On the 47 inquiries, 21 provided detailed information. The detailed information for the corresponding 21 providers is listed in Section 1 of the European report. In Section 2, we have listed the 26 short profiles of the selected provider based on internal desk research. The analysis of the current survey has shown that 21 integral providers have a total turnover of 30 billion euros and employ a total of 700,000 people. It is interesting to see that 70% of the turnover is generated in Western Europe. At the same time, 73% of the total turnover is generated by the 5 largest integral FM providers. If we compare the figures with the previous year, we see that there is a decrease in turnover, number of employees, and turnover per employees. We clearly see the impact of last year's Corona crisis on the industry. In more detail, we see that the decrease in turnover is weakest in Northern Europe with -9% and strongest in South with -14%. The exception is Eastern Europe, where we see a significant increase of 46%. Here we can clearly see the trend of integrated FM approach, which has progressed in the form of consolidation of individual FM providers toward integral providers also during the Corona year. The report will be distributed by RICS and Drees. There is a free download for everyone under the mentioned link on Drees website and will be distributed after the webinar to the participants. I hope that with our report, we can contribute towards advancing transparency within the European FM market and would be delighted if even more providers would actively participate within the next years. Thank you very much.